Hey guys, just a quick update. I ordered some ladybugs and nematodes, and it has arrived. So this is the ladybugs. You can see they're dormant, and they're all crowded together because I just took these out from the fridge. That will change in a little bit. And I also got the nematodes, which is stored with ice pack. Well, not ice pack, but a cooling pack. I got two different ones. I got the SF and not going to pronounce it, and HB. And with this, there's also the release information. You can pause the video to look at them more carefully. Basically, you just dilute the powders and then water it with the water you dilute it with. And this is the individual packs. I got this one, it's 10 million, and this is 5 million. And I'm gonna dilute them, combine them and dilute them in this water. And I just put about half of the pack of HB, which is 5 million, into the water, and according to them that could treat about 2,000 square feet. And I'm gonna put the SF 10 million into the water, and according to them 10 million could treat about 600 square feet. I'm going to only put in about 1/3 of the pack because I want to save more of those in the future to release them sequentially, which would be more effective. And now I'm just stirring them. And basically, I further dilute the mixture into more water. So kind of mix them before you take out some of the solution and just apply it to the water. And that's the water I'm going to water the plants. There's not really an instruction of how much you should dilute it in, so I'm just gonna, I don't know, do it arbitrarily. And yeah, this is how I'm just gonna water the soil, and that's it. And now I'm gonna release the ladybugs. They're active now, as you can see. And I released the ladybugs all over the garden, but most importantly, some of the pots I have known with aphid issues, like this one with the clover. And I believe the hydrangea has some aphids too, so I released a lot more on those. And yeah, you can just see them just wandering around. And I also put a lot in this pot, the wildflower pot. It's kind of a mess, I'm sorry. But yeah, I know there was a lot of aphids. Not sure if there's still a lot. Let me show it to you. This crimson clover, you can see all these spots. Those are damage done by the aphids. So hopefully the ladybugs would help.